Hey y'all, so it's a girl, a game, and a goal. Somewhere over here. I am the girl, Dee. Hello. The game is Sonora, and the goal is just to look at what's inside. So I guess it's an unboxing, and I'm sorry, but like this is as far, so I need to think about my camera so that I could bring things up. But we're gonna look at components. So this might be enough space. As you know, maybe not, I think I've said it, this is Rob Newton game. Show you that it says that there. This is Pandasaurus, and the game is listed as being from 1 to 4 players, 30 to 45 minutes, ages 10 and up. Let's look at the back a little bit. So this has a board with 4 different quadrants, some pieces. It has score sheets, and this is the first flick and write game. I did see it played on the Dice Tower, and I need something thinner because I feel like I don't want to scratch the box, but I got it here. And it was very intriguing. I'm really into the whole flip and write. This is what does it say here? The world's first flick and write game. World's first flick and write game. So I don't need that. It was simple enough in the mechanics. Of course, you're flicking, so we have a nice little catalog which has a lot of their games. Let's see. I have that one. I have a version of Machikoro. I now have this. I do not have that. Contemplating this one. Oh, this is not the one that I have, but a version again of Machikoro. I have the game. I have the mind. I have illusion. I don't have this one, or that one, and so thought I would share. Need assistance, missing something. Okay, they give you a little card there, and then the rule book is about 9 pages, 11 pages long. And there's a bunch of information telling you about gameplay, scoring zones, which are the 4 quadrants, I guess, the flicking rules, the writing rules, the cliff dweller rules, there's canyons. So there's a lot of different zones going on. It didn't look this involved in terms of what you have to do, but I think when we look at the actual writing part of it, it might seem overwhelming. So let's take this out. I wish I have to really adjust. So the board is plastic with the cardboard. The back. Do I want to look at what this is? No. I think it's just to cover up some kind of hole. Let's see here. This looks like it slides in. There's some tape in here to keep this in the bottom. Oh, this is for that. The different little symbols in the center. Interesting. So I have I think this is a first player token. They give you some dry erase markers and a bunch of the flicking discs. So everybody has what, 5? And these are the scoring sheets. There are, let's see, they're double-sided. I don't know if they are the same on both sides. Let's see here if we can tell off the bat. It looks like they might be the same. I have no clue. So but it's really interesting because they are laminated. They're laminated and smooth so that the dry erase markers will work on them, and you can just use them over and over again. You don't have to have a pad, and therefore you are limited to the 4 people. I don't, well, because it's a flick, you only have flicking of 4. So I do like the components. It's really nice. The wood discs, even this is really super thick cardboard. And these are nice. Kind of small to write, but nonetheless, it's very clear, even though the colors are subdued. So that is what is inside the box. I plan to learn the game, of course, and I want to stream the game, of course, on my Twitch channel, and figure out whether I like it or not. But I'm excited about it because I do enjoy roll and writes, and I'm just sad that this probably is not something that you could do with stream because you're supposed to be able to flick. But I can play, and I can chat with my community, and I can do it solo. And if there are choices, once I learn how to play the game, then I can ask the community what they think I should do. Other than that, this is Sonora. It's really pretty game. Nice, beautiful components. And if you like roll and writes and flip and writes, well, try the flick and write, because that's what I'm about to do. And if you do try it and like it, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and check out every other place you can find me on YouTube and Twitch in the description below. Until then, keep playing those games, because gaming is not a spectator sport. Grab those dice and play, and I will see you next time. Bye.